Yeah, welcome guys. Welcome to the second session of today, guys. If you did not make it to the first session, guys, let me know in the comment section. If you can see me and hear me clearly, let me know in the comment section, guys. Let's get started. You guys are welcome, guys. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Drop something in the chat box. I want to know those that are joining us for this session. You already know our watchword, right? Which is our phrase. Making trading simple. Drop it in the comment section. We made good amount of money in our first session, so let's see if we can catch another trade in this session, guys. I know name. I'm trying hard to pronounce your name. Don't be angry, I beg. Honorion. Is that a Yoruba name or Calabar name? Please let me know. I'm seeing and hearing you clearly. Okay, thank you. Good evening, sir. Good evening. How are you doing? Please change your name to your default. To change the default username to your actual name so that I can recognize you. Usman, you're welcome. Salah Musa, you're welcome. So if you joined us in our first session where we sold gold and made money, let me know in the comment section, guys. And if you know our watchword, which is making trading simple, please drop it in the comment section. Let's start. Let's get started, guys. We have just 1 hour 30 minutes for this session. We'll be rounding everything up by 7 p.m. Nigerian time. So let me do a few things before we go to the charts and good evening. Ahmed Uzma, how are you doing, bro? I'm the one who you say you lost 1 point something in the position line. What do you mean by position line? I'm still trying to understand what you are referring to there. Position line. How long have you been trading that you risk 1.8 million naira on a trade? I want to know. Because trading is not something you just start today and you start how will I put it now? You start risking a lot of money. Unless you have a lot of money, because there are some people who 1.8 million is like you know what they say, your what's it called, your account balance and another person tithes for church. So that might to you that might be a spare cash, I don't know, but I would love to know when you started trading that gave you the courage, right, to risk that amount of money in trading. Hola, yeah, making trading simple, guys. Please bombard the chat with making trading simple. Making trading simple. Let's bombard the chats, guys. Let's motivate ourselves to get started. Let's motivate ourselves, guys, to get started. It's my first time trading. Well, there's always a first time, but like I normally tell people, please bombard the chat, making trading simple. Let's see if we can catch another trade this session. So if it's your first time trading, anything in life basically that you are doing for the very first time, you must need guidance. You cannot put your money into something you don't understand yet unless you have a clear guidance that has results. Because I saw someone in the comment section in one of the live streams say anybody can teach. I want to see results. I was just laughing. Now, if you've been joining my session since Friday, we've taken 2 trades. Friday last week, taken 2 trades. Took 1 trade on Monday, took another trade. The both of them hit TP. It is not luck. It has to do with the experience, right? I'm not saying every trade is going to be profitable. There are some that are going to be losses, but that is where risk management comes in, because in trading, things can go wrong sometimes. But the most important thing is that you make more than you lose. That is basically the game. And in life, generally, it is just the game in life. Not everything you do in life that is going to work out. But once you have more things that work out for you than the ones that don't work out for you, that is when your life becomes comfortable and flexible. All right. Not every business you start in life or all the ideas you have in your head that's going to work. All right. So, but most important thing is that when you win, you want to win big. When you lose, you want to lose small. So if you take like 10 trades, for example, if 7 of them is a win, 7 of them are wins, right, and 3 of them losses, you are still profitable. Trust me. One of the reasons why most people think they have to win every time in trading is because of the size of capital that they use. And I'm telling you this one from experience. Sometimes, for example, it's all about percentage, right? There are people who they are trading with $10,000, for example. They just need 1%, all right, and they are done for that particular day. 1% of their account is like $100. So if they make $100 in a day, they are good. Now, if you are trading with that same person and you have, let's say, $5 in your account, and now 1% of $5 is like $0.05, which is not up to 500 naira. So you might want to chase more because the capital is small. So it has to do a lot with experience, has to do a lot with how you actually understand what the business you are doing. Trading is a business of numbers. It's a game of numbers. All right, it's a game of percentage. What we are doing here, we're not trying to help you to flip $5 to $1,000. You have to be realistic. So I believe you had a very good risk management when you were risking 1 point something million naira in your trading. If that's a true story, then I'm sorry for that, but you need coaching, you need mentorship, you need guidance. Don't just you obviously said that it's your first time, so you should have maybe joined one of these lives or these are our live sessions and see how we manage risk. All right, see how we manage risk, then you know how to place your trade in the right way. Ahmed Usman, it's my first time trading. Okay, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. The VIP Telegram link, you can get that in the. I think you are in the VIP group now. I've already dropped the new link there. If you are there, just click the link. It will take you to the Telegram. It will take you to the Telegram channel. If you're in the VIP group on the app, you should be able to access it now because I've dropped a new link for you guys. I think 2 guys already joined already from there. Good evening, sir. Good evening. Is it Ara or R-A-R-A? That's your name. Good evening. How are you doing? Okay, guys, let's take a look at the chart once more. So gold is still selling just like we predicted. So we said that on the 4-hour time frame that gold was going to come down to this exact box, and I think an hour ago, a few minutes ago in the previous session, I told you guys that this is a structure that we are looking at, and from what I can see here, gold is going to pull back down to this level. So okay, good. I'm good. You're welcome. So whatever you are doing right now on gold, you want to be selling on the short term. Not long term, because gold is still very much bullish on the long term. So you want to be selling on the short term. If you guys can see my screen clearly, let me know. Okay, thank you. Okay, so gold is going to keep going down. Going to keep going down. So let me give you the recommended. Okay, Baba today. Okay, cool. So let me give you guys a pop-up. If I'm going to sell gold, you can just sell immediately. Just give me a minute. No, I sent 2 links. The link, see, the way it is, if you just join my newbie link, that will take you to where you can download a breakdown of my strategy. All right. So you'll be able to download the video and the PDF file that contains a breakdown of my strategy. That is for the newbie group. All right. Those who just want to see how my strategy works. Now, for the VIP group, those that made deposits while on my live session, they have access to those 2 materials. They also have access to the link to the Telegram VIP channel. That's the difference. So I want to know which one you are referring to. So guys, we're going to be looking for a sell this session if we get the confirmation. If we get the confirmation, we're going to be looking for a sell. Guys, if you have any question about trading, either if there's anything you don't understand about trading, you can let me know in the comment section, guys. I'll break it down. You can deposit any amount. Who says I'm the gold master? I'm not the gold master. I'm just someone who has experience. I'm not really. Let me give you an analogy. The difference between someone who has experience in trading and someone who's just getting started. There's technically no much difference. It's just like how will I put it now? Let's say for example, we are both students. I'm thinking of an analogy now that will make sense. So let's say for example, we are both drivers, all right, in a particular town. Let's say we are moving from point A to point B every single, like we are commercial drivers, right? And I've been going through that road, all right, let's say for the past 5 years. That's like my in and out every single day. I'm taking passengers, right, from point A to point B every single day. Now I've been doing it for 5 years. Now let's say you just come on board last week, you got your own cab and you start the same business. Now on that particular road, right, there are a lot of things that I've experienced, right? Let's say for example, we normally encounter like the police or encounter road safety, encounter hold up, that is traffic, encounter just mention a lot of things that can happen to the road that I drive as a driver you might encounter on every single day. Now, if you just got started last week, you are going to find it a little bit or a lot more difficult than I would commuting from point A to point B, because you are still yet to understand, okay, at this particular point in time, police, they normally day here. At this particular point in time, road safety, they normally day here. Or at this particular area on the road, we normally have bumps, all right? So normally have potholes. Or if it's raining, this section of this road is not normally good, then I'll have to take another. So, but for me that I've been doing for 5 years, if it's raining and I want to move from point A, I don't need to get to that particular place where that I'll normally have issue when it's raining, because I already know I've passed there a couple of times while it's raining, knowing that okay, once it's raining, this side of the road is not good, and I have to take a shortcut. So you see that it will look as if it's a lot more easier for me while you are still there struggling to get past those obstacles. I've already taken shortcut. Why? Because of experience. So it's the same thing with someone who have been trading for some time, that actually have the data, because I trade with data. Sometimes I know what gold is going to do by 6 p.m. If you notice, sometimes I will tell you guys that if you don't see this trade by this particular time, don't take it. And if you come back, you will see that what I said happened. So it's based on experience. It's not just jumping up that I have some kind high value indicator that I'm putting on the chart. No, if you look at my chart, there's nothing there. I don't have any indicator on the charts. The only indicator I use it to just mark FEG levels on the charts. It does not do anything apart from that. It does not tell you to buy or sell or anything. I just use it to mark out where we have gaps on the charts. That's it. So I trade basically. There's what we call trade journaling. If you've heard of this thing before, let me know in the comment section, guys. There's what we call trade journaling. I don't know if that's double L or, you don't mind my English, but you get the point. There's what we call trade journaling. Don't worry, guys, we don't have a setup yet. Don't worry, I'm watching the charts. Just make your deposit and stand by. All right, make your deposits using the icon. You already know the drill. The gold bag icon by your chat box. All right, just click on it, then you'll be able to make deposits. So if you heard of this particular term in trading before, let me know in the comment section. Let me see those who just got started. Perfect order for access to VIP. Oluwakayo there we set. Okay, no problem now. Please, how long can gold sell? Like, will it sell till tomorrow? You will need a prophet to tell you that one. No. I can only trade what I'm seeing currently on the chart. For what I'm seeing currently on the chart, gold should sell to this level. But for tomorrow, I don't know. I can only work with what I'm seeing right now on the charts, because I am having a buy lot from 466 by 466. Is it ARA? Should I call you ARA now? Don't you use stop loss? If you are buying from that level, you should have gotten out of that trade now. You should be out of that trade by now, because that's a whole lot of drawdown. To be honest, 466 is around. Wow. That's huge. You should use. Please don't trade with stop loss. Don't trade without stop loss. It's not advisable. How to deposit for the sell? Yes, click on that gold icon. Let me show you guys what it looks like. All right. me show you guys what the deposit, for those who don't know what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, guys. So if you want to deposit, you have to click on this icon, right, while you are chatting. You click on it and you can deposit any amount you want. That's how you deposit. How do you trap a zone? How do you trap a zone for trading? Or how do you mark a zone for trading? Maybe you can rephrase that question. Let me know if that's what you meant. How will my account here if I can do? How much at least do I need? You can have any amount, even if it's $3. Now, for me, right, I already recommended a particular pair. Don't worry, let me bring it up, guys. Let me bring it up so that you see the pair I'm talking about. If you already have your deposits using the icon I'm going to pop up now, right? But for you to gain access to my VIP, you have to make deposit through my live session. That is how I didn't make the rules, guys. That's how it works. That's how it works. Because that is how we get to bring those that follow. Like I get to bring those that follow me and my session to a particular group where I can do further coaching or render further signals. All right. So this particular icon I just popped up now, that's if you have as little as $3, you can actually take the trades that I share. Because most of my trades, if you use 0.01 on this pair, is you are risking like $2, $2.5 thereabouts. So for those who don't know how to deposit, this is where you click on your chat box, all right here. Then you can make your deposit. So let's head back to the charts. Let's share the charts once again. And so guys, what you just have to do now is just make a deposit while on this live. Then you can take a trade. If you already have your account filled up, well, you might not have access to the VIP group. You can still use their coin, this particular sell and buy icon of gold, to take your trade if we get a trade right now. All right. So let's take a look at the 15 minutes time frame and see what is actually happening. You're just joining, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're new here. You want to learn. Yeah. Basically, all you have to do is just to follow me. So, Ajagbe 007. Please, I want you to rephrase that your question. Are you talking about how I mark out my levels for trading? So that I will answer you. I'm not on the Telegram channel. Thanks. Okay, cool. So Abdul has gained access to the VIP Telegram channel, which I posted in the VIP group. So for those of Okay, so Abdul, you're welcome to the Telegram VIP. Can I start with $1,000? $1,000 is I don't know. $1,000 is, I recommend $3 to $2. Now the reason I recommend those things is because of trading. Let's be realistic. Let me give you an example, guys. The reason why you need at least $3, all right? If we take it now, I'm not giving you guys signal here, so please. Okay, how do you mark out zone? That's okay. Now I get your question. Don't worry, I'll reply you now. So the reason I recommend $3 and above, if you take this trade, for example, guys, this is not a signal. I'm just explaining something now. Of drawdown is going to wipe your account, right? Then later it will now continue to go away and give those that have at least $3 on their account profits. So that's why I recommend at least $3 and above. You can actually do 100. I'm just saying $3 because I know there are a lot of beginners who just got started with trading. They're still testing things out. So, but trading, like I said, is a game of numbers. The more money you put into it, the more money it's going to give you. If you are risking $3 to get $3, you're not the same thing with someone that is risking $30 to get $30. So if you have more deposit, it's your money. You're not giving it to me, right? You can deposit $100 right now if you can. Then if you take a trade, you risk out of that $100, you can risk $3. It's still the same thing. So you're not giving the money to me, guys. How to send deposits I've paid. If you make deposits, you will be notified. I will be notified as well, but I can't see it. Yeah, good evening. How are you doing? Please, one question. I like 420. I didn't get that. Are you trying to say you have like 420? Payments made. If you've made payment, did you make it using the icon, deposit icon on the live chat? If yes, you'll be added to the group automatically. Then I will also get a notification. So just make sure you are using the icon to make your deposit. Yes, you did. I'll check. Yeah, you can deposit 5K. Just can deposit 5K. I think that's above $3 now. Yeah, you can. David, how much can you can start with any amounts. Any amounts from $3 and above. I already deposited. Okay, if you deposited, I'll get to see you in the group. So, Nate. Okay, so Nick, I said you did. If you did, you should be able to, even on the chat right now, I should be able to see notifications. So I don't know, maybe you did it through there because I can't see you in the group yet. So guys, for those wondering, we're just waiting for a setup, guys. We are not if you've been watching me since Friday, you know that I take specific kind of trades, not just random trades. David, you are welcome. You're welcome. I already have money in my BTCDana account. You might not be able to get access to VIP, but what you can do is that if we're taking a trade, you can use the buy and sell icon. All right, that's going to pop. IKEA Farm. I love that name. Good evening, Coach. Yeah, good evening. How are you doing? So someone just made deposit. Is it AO? That's your name. You can actually use a better name. So once you make deposit, so like I told you, Neka, someone just made deposit. I just saw the notification. So if you made deposit on this live, I'll be notified. Then the system will automatically move you to the VIP group. Then that is where I will also share the Telegram channel, the link in the group as well. So after the live, I get to do other trades, updates, trade signals, explanation. Even in the group, you can ask questions outside the live session, and I also get to answer you as well. Whether you're a beginner or you're already trading, it doesn't matter. You can. It's beginner friendly. What item are you trading? I trade mainly gold, but I also give breakdowns on BTC. I already told you guys. Let me even go back to BTC. I told you guys. Yeah, AO deposit me. Yeah, I've seen it. You should be in the group now. So after this live, I'm going to chat you up in the group. All right. So stay tuned. So let's go back to BTC. There's nothing for us to trade right now on gold, guys. So let's go to BTC and see what is actually happening. How are you? I'm good. And you? How are you doing? So I told you guys on Monday I was going to reject that BTC was going to reject from this level. That after price takes out this high, right? This is the daily time frame, by the way. So after price takes out this head, I'm going to see BTC pull back. Now, where exactly should you be expecting to buy BTC again? For me personally, if I were to trade BTC, I'll be looking at this level. There are two key levels I'll be looking at for BTC to start reacting to. It's going to be that level and this level. Now I have a particular entry system which already, if you have access to the newbies group, I already sent you guys a link where you can download my strategy for absolutely free. So I have a 17-minute video where I actually broke it down, and it's beginner friendly. So you don't necessarily need to have a lot of knowledge in trading. You just need to understand basic English. Then I also use an analogy there of a gas station, how to explain how I actually trade. All right. So if anyone is trading BTC right now, I want to see BTC pull back to this level. This is the daily time frame, by the way. Or I want to see BTC retrace to this level, then buy from that level. So those are the two key levels. So the two key levels is going to be 77K, right? 77K and 75K. So these are the two psychological levels that I will want to buy BTC from if I'm going to trade BTC. If you go down to the 1 hour time frame, now on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we told you guys what structure means. So on the 1 hour structure, which is this is the structure right here. This is the structure. So in this structure, what I want to analyze trading pairs, to analyze BTC and gold and the rest. I hope you understand. You can go online, you Google TradingView, you can download TradingView. It's a little bit flexible because they have a lot of tools that you don't have on normal trading app. Then when you are done analyzing, no, we are not trading BTC. We are not trading BTC. We are going to be trading gold. I'm just analyzing BTC for those who are going to be trading BTC. So that's why I still have that pop up there. All right. So what I'm actually looking out for gold now. Nope. So this is what I'm looking out for gold. I'm looking out for gold to react to this level, right? This is a 15 minutes time frame, by the way. So I'm looking out for gold to react to that level. If we don't have a close above this level, I'm not going to be buying gold. Then by 6 okay, by 6 p.m. let's say a double top, then I will sell gold to what I'm waiting for. Are you expecting gold to pull back from selling position to the pull 4-5? What time is? I already told you guys from our previous FEGs, they work like magnets in the market, so they attract price to themselves. So price should, not must, but should come down to tap into that FEG. So that's why we're expecting gold to sell maybe later this evening or so. By what time? You should be expecting this anything from now to 8 p.m. That's when you should be expecting this particular setup. Those in the VIP group, if I get the trade, I can actually share it to them or share with them. So that's why if you want to gain access to my signal even after this live session, you can actually just join the VIP group. And all you need to do for you to gain access, just to make deposit while on the live session. So that's simple. Guys, just going to give me a minute. I'll be back, guys. So guys, what we are expecting now, we are expecting gold. We're expecting gold to give us a sell, but we're not selling unless we see the setup. So just in case we don't get this session is ending by 7 p.m. So we want to see price come. We're going to take out this liquidity. This liquidity, now I already explained what liquidity is. This is where people place their stop losses, all right, when they sell. So those that sold gold from this level, they have their stop loss around this area. Now by 6 p.m., which we already have, price might come and take them out of that trade, take their money, all right, from the market. Then we want to see some kind of rejection from this level. Then we'll now sell to this level or this level. So that's what I'm expecting. What I'm expecting from gold. You're an XAUSD mini. Have you sold already? Okay, you've sold already. Okay. If you've sold, my chief, my commander, my commander, how are you? So, what if you've sold? So, for those of you who have sold already or that want to sell, you can use the icon on our charts right now. Now, let me show you what to do in case you've sold. No matter what you are doing right now, you want to make sure this is the 15-minute time frame. So you can go to 15-minute time frame on the app now, or wherever you, on the app, right? You want to make sure that your stop loss is above this level. That's the only safe zone for you to place your stop loss right now, because once we get to 6:30, something might happen on the chart. We might either see the markets move aggressively to the upside a bit. This high needs to be taken out, unless today wants to do something different. But this high needs to be taken out. Then you will now see gold push to the downside. So this is one thing that's going to happen. So whatever you are doing right now, if you want to sell, fine, but make sure your stop loss is above 4632. So if you are selling, for those who have sold, I'm giving you an idea on where to put your stop loss now. So you want to make sure your stop loss is around 4632. This is the safest place to put your stop loss. All right. That is the safest place to put your stop loss. As if you sold though. As if you sold. I don't understand. I'm already ordered for sale. Be careful. Say, why are you expecting the sweep of liquidity at the upper? That is how will I put this? What we call liquidity concepts and market algorithm. So I'm not going to confuse you guys with that. So what that simply means is that at certain time of the day, right, price does certain things, right, which over the years I've noticed over and over again. That is why I tell you guys that if market is going to do this at X time of the day, most times it does it. So there's a way the market moves, right? Okay, let me just give you the expo. Though this should supposed to be for the VIP group, but let me just give you the expo. So the New York session is divided into two, right? Let me see if there's another chat I can attend to before I answer that. So, but Honoriad, I believe I'm pronouncing that name clearly. Honoriad, you understand why I said you should place your stop loss, have you? So, Ika fam, let me show you something. Let me show you something on the chart. So the New York session hundreds of dollars to learn. So but I'm giving it to you guys here for free. So the New York session is divided into two, right? So we have the AM session. These are some of the things you are going to learn just by following my live session. It's not just coming here to try to make $10, $100. You also need the knowledge, because it's the knowledge that will help you to trade on your own, so that you don't be too dependent on signals. So there's what we call the AM session. Then we have the PM session. Now, let's say for example, in the AM, if gold is bearish, I'm using a bearish scenario now because gold is currently on the short term, it's currently bearish. right? If you are following this teaching, let me know in the comment section, guys. We have just we have 40 minutes more to go. So let me break this down. So if gold is bearish, for example, and during the AM session normally starts, let me use Nigerian time now, right? It starts normally from 1 p.m. Nigerian time to 5 p.m. Nigerian time. That's New York AM session. So if the market has been, right, when we get to the PM session, if the market wants to continue downwards, price will normally go up and take out one high or two highs in the PM session. Then it will reject from any FEG or any bearish order block over here. Then it will now continue downwards. So this will continue now till around 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m. Nigerian time. So but this particular move happens around 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. So that is why I said that high is supposed to be taken out. This comes from experience. You are not going to see any of this watching YouTube videos. You're only going to see it maybe in personal mentorship or right here on BTCDana. That's if you ask. But now you just ask, so that's why you're getting to know. So if that makes sense or you understand that, let me know. So Ika fam, if you understand what I just explained now, let me know. If anyone else understood what I just broke down now, let me know. If you are new to trading, you might not understand. Okay. What time frame am I talking about? I'm talking about the 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes, 1-5. That's 15 minutes. Yeah, you guys will not understand this that easily. That's why I said try and join the VIP group, because I might not have all the time to be breaking down all these things. Make them this smart. I don't get what this guy is saying. Make them this trading market easier. You rephrase that too. I can't understand what you're saying. So guys, if you are selling good, guys, please make use of the pair I'm recommending if you don't have huge capital. Central C, where have you been, bro? You missed our trade in the afternoon. We made money now. You're not there. Hi Chief, good evening. Good evening, guys. Good evening. If you have not sold, just stay calm, bro. Stay calm. I have not seen my entry yet. Because if you have another strategy, fine. But for me, I have not seen my trade yet. Yeah, the reason I said mini gold is not for everyone. Mini gold, if you don't have like $500, $1,000 and above, mini gold might be better for you. I'm just trying to give you guys a pair that you can use a proper risk. So because if I'm giving you signal, for example, if you've noticed, my signal is around 20 pips, 20 points, or however you want to call it. So if you are using 0.01 lot size, for example, you are risking $2 or $3. That's the maximum. So if you use the normal gold pair and you have just $3 in your account, just one move, your account is gone. So that's why I recommend it. So what you want to do, right, is if you have enough and you are still using gold mini, then you increase your lot size. So instead of using 0.1, you can instead of using 0.01, you can use 0.1. See the same thing. I'm having $2, I can't trade again. Why is it? If you have $2, you can trade the gold mini. You can trade the gold mini. Yes, it's forex. It's gold now. It's the same thing with gold. Ika Farm said, "Thank you so much. It's quite impactful. Well understood. Thank you. Good. I'm happy you understand that. Can you put me through?" That's basically what I'm doing. That's what I've been doing since 3 p.m. today. So yeah. My screen is in dark mode. Are you talking about my charts? Are you talking about my charts? Who's even asking that? Body. Are you talking about my charts? Why is in dark mode? If you're talking about my charts, the reason I use dark mode is because I'm always on the screen, so I don't want too much bright light on my eyes. So that's why I use most of the things I do. I use dark mode, my apps, because I'm always online 247. You can see it is clear now. It is clear. You see, this is my chart. Maybe it's a series of drawings that is confusing you. This is my chart. You say this is not clear. This is clearer than any other thing. No? So I want to know how I journal my trades. Okay, so how you journal trades, right? Let me see if we have much time. I can break that down. So if you want to journal your trade, you basically just need a platform. You can use Excel. Like me, I use Excel for journaling. So you can use Excel. You can use Notion. So Excel is one I think will be very, very easy for you. Or you can use normal notebook. Just write down your trades, how much you made, how much you lost that particular day, what you noticed on the chart that gold did. These are some of the things that you get to gather over time that will help you to understand price behavior of the market you are trading. So that's how I was able to gather data about gold. When gold moves, what it does is from trade journaling. So you can use Excel, you can use Notepad, you can use, if you want specific things that you should write down in your trade journal, then you let me know, then I will list them out for you. I don't understand something, big bro, make I talk. Go ahead now. the floor is open. So body, my chart is actually clean and clear. I use dark mode. That's my I'm always on the screen, so I use dark mode to protect my eyes, bro. 007 says, Big Boss, can one make 0.1? Yeah, if you you can. If you have if you're talking about XAUSD mini, you can. If you have $100 on your account, you can use 0.1. Because if I give trades, for example, and the stop loss is, let's say, 200 pips, 0.1, you're only risking $20 out of $100. So yes, you can go ahead with 0.1 lot size if you have a $100 account. So because that your 0.1 on XAUSD mini account pair is the same thing as 0.01 on XAUSD normal pair. So yes, you can. But Oga Coach, this channel I can't write in case of any question. So I don't get your question, bro. If you want to get signal, if you either get signal as the one we share live here on this channel on the live session, or you join my VIP channel and group. And to do that, you just have to make deposit into your own account. You're not giving the money to me. Then you'll be added to the group. If you have $3, 0.1 is too much. You guys should understand what risk management is. It's not about if you are seeing trading like many of you are seeing trading like Bet Nigeria, what do you call it? Trading has rules. Sell from here now, for example. Roughly 300 pips, which is 30 points. 0.1 here, you are risking $3 here. And 0.01, sorry, on XAUSD mini, you are risking $3 here. So if you put 0.1 here on this trade, you're actually risking $30 and you have $3. It does not make sense. So you have to understand how risk management work. Guys, this is not a signal. Don't go and I'm not giving you a signal there. I'm just explaining risk management to you. So you guys should understand. Please explain the pips and how it is. I have to. If you have $2, $3, I keep saying this thing. If you have $2, $3, use 0.01. You can't. The $2 is too small for 0.1. Abdul says I should explain the pips. Okay, let me explain how pips work with Coach. Alright, so that you understand it. Now, this is so this is 4560, right? Now this is let me explain the pips so that you guys understand how pips are or how they are calculated. Here is 450. Now the distance between this place, right, and this place distance between this 4560, right? So this 4500, that is 4560 to 4500. If you take a look at this area, I want to give you guys something, a round number, so that let me give you guys a round number. So let's 15. So the distance between these two places, as you can see here, right, it says this 50 you are seeing here is the distance between here and here is 50 points. Oh, sorry, is 50 points. So if price move from point A, that's this line, to this line, simply means that price has moved by 50 points. Now, 50 points in gold. Yeah. This is gold now. They are calculated differently, but almost the same concept. So in gold, 50 points is equals to 500 pips. So that's why sometimes you hear me using points. Sometimes I use points, sometimes I use pips. But if I tell you 10 pips, if I say 10 points simply means 100 pips. If I say 20 points means 200 pips. Points and 500 pips, they mean the same thing. Now, if you take 0.1 trade, if you take trade on gold, right, and use 0.01, which is the smallest lot size or the smallest against you, 50 points. Now, every 10 points with 0.1 is equals to $10. So let me put that now. So 10 points, right, which is equals to 100 pips, is equals to 10 USD. Right? Is equals to 10 USD. So if you are taking a trade and your stop loss is that it divides these whole numbers by 10. So if you are taking this 0.1 on the mini XAUSD mini, this 20, your SL is still 20 points, your SL is still 200 pips, but your XL now will now be this 20 USD divided by 10, so it now be 2 USD. So that's the difference between gold mini and the normal gold. So if you have little capital, you want to be trading gold mini. If you have huge capital, let's say $100, $100, and you want to risk, and your stop loss is let's say 200 points, and you want to risk $20, then you can go for the gold and the main gold pair. That's basically the difference between both. So each time you hear me say 20 points, it means 200 pips. If you hear me say 200 pips, it means 20 points. So if you have for anybody that understand that, sorry, let me just leave it so that you guys can still see it. Let's see what gold. So gold is still trying to, what is it trying to take out this high? I don't know if this will still happen in this session. See how it's played out then. Join the VIP, guys. So that's basically how the pips are calculated with gold when it comes to gold. So, who asked that? Okay, Abdul, I think you're the one that asked that question, Van. So, if you understand it, let me know in the comment section. You guys keep asking $2 0.1. I've explained that already. Pay attention to my explanation. Where is Abdul? Do you understand? I mean the channel. Abdul, there's no. Abdul, which of the group are you talking about? There's a VIP group on the app, not on Telegram. Telegram is a channel. If you want to interact, there's a VIP group on the app. Go to your app section, go to message. You will see the other guys will also drop message there. If that's what you're talking about. Those are talking about withdrawals. BTCDana give you your withdrawal instantly. So that one is not even a topic. So Iman Sunday and withdrawal is instant. That one is not the question is how are you going to trade to make money? That's what you should even be asking. So that's one is not not a topic. BTCDana is everywhere. You can go to LinkedIn, go to YouTube. Lots of channels out there. I mean the channel is in view mode. So Abdul, I think I've answered two of your questions. Number one, there's a VIP group on the app where you are already. You can ask questions. Some people already post some chats there already, so I don't think it's in view mode. Then I already explained to you how the pips works. So guys, I don't think we're going to have any trade. So like I told you guys, what we're expecting gold to take out this high, then react to this level. Then you can take a sell. This might happen during the 9th time, but I don't think it's going to happen on this session. We have just 15 minutes to go. BTCDana, your book. I don't get your question, bro. If you want to know more about BTCDana, you can check it online, check different social platforms. I'm a trader here to teach you guys how to trade and to give you signals. So if that's your question, I think I've answered you. So if you're in the VIP group already, there's no need for any other group. The other place I'm going to add you is the Telegram channel. That's just it. So that the chats and the group will not prevent you from seeing updates. Alright. So the group chats on the app, which is the VIP group, is open. You can always drop your questions, send images, ask questions and stuff like that. People are already joining the Telegram channel. I think 7 people joined today alone. So the reason why you have to join, guys, is that I'm not going to. There are sometimes when, not even sometimes, I'm not going to always be. I'm just going to be online, live with you guys 3 p.m., 4:30 p.m., then 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. So every other time, like some of my morning trades, that's where I get to share my London trades, Asian trades as well. Because to be honest, 5 p.m., 6 p.m. Nigerian time, a lot of trades has already gone. Some of the big movers, right, in the market normally happen in the early hours of New York session, Asian session as well. So to gain access to that, you need to be in the VIP. You need to be in the VIP group, guys. How you join? Okay, Abdul, you understand, Abi? Good. Thank God. So how you join? The person is your Telegram group. Yeah, he's a different trader. You can see clearly my name there, Amos. So the way I trade and what I trade is different. So yeah, we are two different traders. So I believe I've answered your question. So someone says, how do we join? Yeah, you join by making deposits during my live session. I believe you already know where the deposit button is, as in the gold bag icon on your charts. While Ika Farm says you are right, there was a strong swipe during afternoon by 1:30 and what's on. That's what I told you. Trading, there's one particular thing that most people miss out. When I say I don't use indicator, people think I'm just making it up. The reason I don't use indicator is because I study behavior. I don't rely on it. I don't use indicator. So there are specific things gold does at certain time of the day. I take advantage of that knowledge, back it up with technicals, market structure, liquidity. That's basically how I trade. So that's why most of my trades, I can repeat it over and over again. They're all going to look similar. Unlike what you find where today someone is using indicator, tomorrow they are using trend line, next tomorrow they are using something else. It's crazy. You can't really learn that way as a beginner, because as a beginner you need a structured pattern that can be repeated almost every single day. If you see the trade we took on Monday with the one we took today, they are similar. So it's easy for you to recall and link up trades, how I took them, so that you understand how I actually trade. Because if I'm trading trend line today, tomorrow I'm using one funny indicator, then other day I'm trading smart money concept. You get confused because you are seeing different things every single day. To me, though, that doesn't make sense. Everybody have the way they trade, but that's how I trade. I stick to one particular trading system. Okay, that means for me to join, I have to. Yes, you have to deposit now on this life for you to be able to join mine. Yes. But like I said, the money is yours, so you're not giving it to me. So it's just for just how the system is built. You understand? It's not like you are giving me the money or something. How can I join? Just started the app. Please help me. If you just started the app, you're welcome. You just have to number one, change your username. You can make deposits while on this live. Then welcome to trade with us. The link to the Telegram is in the VIP group on this app, and to access it, you have to make deposits using the gold icon on this live session. That's how you join the VIP. I didn't make it that way. That's how the system is built, so that we streamers and traders can know those who are following our trading system. That's why it's like that. And you're not giving the money to me. All right, you're not giving the money to me. Please not. You're not giving the money to me. You have deposited. Yeah, if you deposited on this live with the icon, you should be able to. Let me see. You should be able to see yourself in the group. It's automatic. I don't really need to do anything. Once you see yourself in the group, I share the Telegram link there. So it's automatic. How can I draw liquidity line and get it correct? To draw liquidity line, let me ask, have you gotten my video and my PDF file explaining my strategy? Because I simplified it there. Have you gotten it? Because for me, basically, I look out for two things, all right? I look out for two levels of liquidity. Number one, previous day high and previous day low. Number two, previous session high, previous session low. So these levels are levels that give me accurate zones where we have liquidity. Then again, fair value gaps, very important as well. Very, very effective. So those are the systems I use when marking out liquidity levels. So buddy, I hope you understand that. So Ika farm. So if you want to deposit join you have to make it on the Telegram channel. So to access that, before we end the session, you make deposits on this live. Just click on that icon. Let me show you guys the icon once more. Someone says, can we sell now? There's no entry yet. If you want to sell, I already told you what to do. Where your stop loss should be if you want to sell. But I'm a professional trader. I don't trade emotionally. I wait for my entry. I think since Monday I've taken just 4 trades since Monday. I've shared 2 with you guys. So I am a professional trader, and I don't just say it just for saying sake. That's how I trade. So I'm not just going to say buy, sell. I wait for what I want to see. Once I see it, I take it. So if you want to sell, considering the fact that I told you that price is going to still go down, I told you where to place your stop loss. So that's all I can say about that. All right. So you still have to make your own decision. But like I said, if you must do that, please use. If you must do that and you don't have huge capital, because I'm not just here to help you make money. I'm here to help you preserve here to help you preserve the money you are making. So if you must sell, use this particular pair. Use XAUSD mini. So guys, we have 4 more minutes to go in this session. So for those who want to join the VIP, let me just show you the icon. I keep calling that an icon. Let me just show you. I almost ended this stream. Let me show you the what to click right there, right now on your chart. Share screen. So this is what you want to. Sorry. So this is what you want to. This is what you click. Right. This is what you click. Click on this. This is where you type in your charts. So this is where you want to click. You click on it, then you make deposit at least $3 and above. $2 and above is like 3,000 naira, 3,500 thereabouts. It's still your money. You can trade with. You are going to trade with. You are not giving it to me. It's just for you to grant you access for the system to add you to my VIP. Then I will now take you to Telegram channel from there. So I'm not going to have any trades, but if you want to trade, I already told you what to do. If you're in a trade already, please, your stop loss should be 4632 or higher from the current price. Let me go back to the charts. Let me go back to the charts so that it doesn't seem as if I'm leaving those that are sold hanging. But I'm here for everybody. Here for everybody. So let me just sacrifice a few more minutes. So this is the chart. If you are selling or you've sold, make sure this is your stop loss, 4623. Now for TP, if you go down to the 4-hour time frame level, this is where you are going to take profits. Take profit is going to be 4565. Time is up already, but let me just, for the sake of those that took a sell. So 4565 should be your stop loss. Sorry, your take profits. 4565. So please go now, edit your trade. This should be your take profits. This is where the market is going to bounce. What is going to happen this now, I don't know, but this is the safest place. Above this, this is the safest place for you to hold your stop loss if you're already in a sell. So I believe that is clear before I end this session. So if you're in a sell and that is clear, let me know. Okay, Nick, I just deposited now. So I just saw a notification. So you have been added to. It has been added, Nick. I've seen it. I just saw a notification now. So you should be in the group, the VIP group now. Once I end this session, I'm going to send the link to the Telegram channel. Then you can now join the Telegram channel. So in the group, that's where you can ask questions, drop your chats. Once I'm online, I can reply them. Meanwhile, in Telegram channel, that's where I'm going to be posting signals that I can't post here on the live session because of time. So you're welcome to the team, VIP team. How much you can deposit any amount from $3 and above. You need to trade. That's a very wrong sentence, bro. Nobody needs to trade. You have to want to trade. Once you start saying you need to trade, then that's when you start losing money. So that's a topic for another day when we talk about trading psychology. So don't worry yourself, we'll get there. Want to deposit? Yes, you can click on the deposit icon, then you deposit in Nigerian money. Yes, it will automatically, you can do that. Once you click on that gold bag icon, it automatically leads you to where you can make deposits in Naira. Once it lands your BTCDana app, it will be converted to USD. So you should be looking at something like 4,000 Naira, 5,000 and above. You can do 100,000 Naira if you have the money. It's still your money. You can still decide to wake up tomorrow and withdraw it if you don't want to trade, and it will land your account. How can I withdraw now from my bonus card? You need to chat up customer care to break down that. I don't have information to that. I don't have information to that. Sorry. So, guys, we are done for this session. We are done. So guys, we're done for this session. Really happy to do this once again with you guys. So I'm going to be seeing you guys tomorrow, 3 p.m. Nigerian time as well. And that's going to be our first session. And our second session is going to be 5:30 p.m. Nigerian time. So if you are watching outside Nigeria, all you have to do is just do some time conversion, then so that you know what time it is in your local time. All right. So that will be all for today, guys. Do have a lovely evening rest. And for those of you in the VIP already, I'll see you guys shortly. Right? Take care, guys.